So, right. Alright. Just gonna have a look at my new blend for my herbal blunts blend. Turn the camera around, inshallah. Bismillah. This is my new blend. A homemade smoke blend. It smokes alright in normal papers, but it smokes better in blunt papers, blunt wraps. And as you can see, you can't see it properly there. You can see it properly there. It's a nice texture. It's a bit damp. It feels like tobacco. It's soft, very soft. It feels like the freshest soil you can find. I might, if I have enough of this blunt material, I might grow some plants in it, inshallah. When I get some hemp seeds, I might grow a hemp seed in it or something like that. Or put, maybe. I won't mind growing something in this. If I get enough of it, I might grow something in it. But it's very soft. Has good texture and it's in bits and pieces, crunchy too, and it's nice. And it doesn't smell at all. It's been washed through, and it's been used once. And this is my coffee teapot, and in this I put a tea bag and some Ceylon tea and some coffee. And once I've drank the tea, I'll put my used tea bags and my used coffee into a little pot away. And when I've got enough of it, I put it on a grill, on one of those similar to George Foreman grill, but it's Jamie Oliver grill, Tefal grill actually, Tefal grill, and it heats it up very quickly in about 5 minutes. It dries the herbs out really quickly. And in the smoke, I found coffee was a lot better than tobacco. It's a smoother smoke, it's a softer smoke, it's a slower smoke. Sometimes you have to re-spark it up a lot of times, but that's okay. It doesn't really change much in the smoke. And sometimes you can leave it behind, and you can leave it for a little bit, and it makes good soil. It makes a good soil, that does. It makes a good soil. And it's a good alternative to tobacco. Using tobacco, using coffee granules, and coffee granules open up a little bit more once they've been soaked, and Ceylon tea also opens up a little bit more when it's been soaked. When you buy it, it's dry. And if you buy it dry, the thing is, with dry herbs, they haven't been soaked, and they don't smoke too well, and they're really harsh smoke because of fresh herbs. But if you soak them out in the tea and use them, and then when you got some used teas and used coffees, dry them out on a grill. Once you dry them out on a grill, you can use them in your blunt materials and things like that. And very nice blunt materials too. Very nice blunt materials. So I'll leave it there. Should I make a blunt? No. And Allahu Akbar. So that's that's a secret recipe for a blunt.